Welcome to Finance with Klexx, where we make money make sense. If you are new here, this channel is dedicated to help you understand money in a simple, practical way so that you can make better financial decisions and build a better future. Today's video is extremely important, especially if you feel you are working hard but still struggling financially. We are going to talk about 5 common money mistakes that silently keep many people poor regardless of how much they earn. The good news is that once you understand these mistakes, you can start fixing them immediately. Let's get into it. The first major money mistake that keeps people poor is not tracking their money. Most people work hard for their income, but they have no idea where that money actually goes. At the end of the month, they feel broke, confused, and frustrated. Yet, they can't point to exactly why. Money disappears through small daily expenses like snacks, transport, subscriptions, impulse purchases, and unnecessary spending. When you don't track your money, you are operating blindly. You are letting money control you instead of you controlling your money. Tracking your income and expenses is not about restrictions or punishment. It's about awareness. When you know where your money is going, you gain power over it. The solution here is simple but powerful. Start writing down everything you earn and everything you spend. It can be in a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a simple budget app. Once you see your spending patterns, you naturally start making smarter decisions. The second money mistake is living above your means. This is one of the biggest reasons people stay financially stuck for years. Living above your means means spending more than you earn or constantly stretching your income to maintain a lifestyle you can't truly afford. Many people fall into this trap because of pressure from society, social media, or friends. They feel the need to dress a certain way, use expensive phone, eat out frequently, or live a lifestyle that looks good online but is destroying them financially offline. The truth is, trying to impress people with money you don't have is a fast track to debt, stress, and financial struggle. The fix for this mistake is learning to live below your means. This doesn't mean live a miserable life. It means being intentional. Spend on what truly matters. Reduce unnecessary expenses and remember that real wealth is built quietly. Financial freedom is not about looking rich. It's about being stable, secure, and stress-free. The third mistake that keeps many people poor is not having a saving plan. A lot of people say they'll save money when there is something left at the end of the month. Unfortunately, there is almost never anything left. Without a plan, saving becomes optional, and optional things rarely happen. This is why emergency hit so hard. A small medical issue, car problem, or unexpected bill suddenly becomes a financial crisis. The absence of saving forces people into debt, borrowing, or selling valuable assets. The solution is to treat savings like a bill you must pay. Save fast, not last. Even if it's a small amount, consistency is what matters. Saving teaches discipline and provides peace of mind. Over time, those small amounts adds up and gives you financial breathing room. Savings protect you from stress and gives you confidence to handle life's surprises. The fourth money mistake is avoiding financial education. Many people believe money topics are complicated, boring, or only meant for experts. Because of this mindset, they avoid learning about budgeting, investing, debt management, and wealth building. Unfortunately, ignorance is expensive. When you don't understand money, you make costly mistakes without realizing it. You may fall into a bad loan, scams, poor investment, or long-term financial traps. Financial education doesn't require advanced degree or complicated terms. It starts with simple knowledge and understanding of how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it grow. The solution is to commit to learning, even a little at a time. Watch educational videos, read simple articles, and follow channels like Finance with Klexx that breaks down money concepts into an easy to understand way. Knowledge is one of the most powerful financial tools you can have. The fifth and final money mistake is not having a long-term financial plan. Many people live life day by day with no clear direction of their money. They earn, spend, repeat, and years pass with nothing meaningful to show for it. Without goals, money has no purpose. It gets spent randomly and disappear quickly. A financial plan gives you money direction. It answers important questions like, what am I saving for? Where do I want to be financially in 5 or 10 years? Do I want to own a home, start a business, invest, or retire comfortably? When you set clear financial goals, your spending decisions become easier. You start saying no to things that don't align with your future. The fix is to set both short-term and long-term goals. Write them and break them into achievable steps. Planning doesn't limit your life. It gives you life structure and purpose. Now, here is the important thing to understand. Being poor is not always about how much money you earn. It's always about habits, decisions, and mindset. You can earn a lot and still struggle financially if you keep making these mistakes. On the other hand, you can earn a modest income and still build wealth by making smart, intentional choices. Financial growth starts with small changes consistently over time. No one becomes wealthy overnight, but everyone can improve their financial situation with the right knowledge and discipline. If this video has helped you understand money a little better, then you are exactly why this channel exists. Subscribe to Finance with Klexx for simple practical money tips that helps you save smarter, even better, and grow financially. Like this video so more people can learn these lessons, and comment below which money mistakes you are working on fixing right now. Remember, making better money decisions today creates a better life tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.